33 from all of our judges. Okay, net price from 30 seconds. Okay. So, it will be brought to the front of the stage. But first, I'll announce the third place for group, garnering a score of 78%. Marvel versus Capcom. Marvel versus Capcom. Our second placers, garnering a score of 82.33. Ayan, group of WPF. WPF. So our winners for this year with a score of 87.33. Illusion Brigade. Ano yung tumatambling? Ano yung sinayaw nila? Ano yung sinayaw nila? Ano yung maalala sa inyo? Yung people. Alright. Sige si Shanti. Ito na ang Illusion Brigade. Ito na, sige, ito na. Bago daw mag-individual raffle daw muna. Suspense daw, suspense. Ayan. Okay, this is your Illusion Brigade. Expect copy ka na ba siya na yun? Beautiful. Ayan. Suicidal pala, suicidal. Tuntog pa, yung pinatutog ka lang kanina. Ano, papasayaw na sila ulit. Ate, ano yung oras na tayo? Sige, pwede daw sila sumayaw. Okay, congratulations for our group cosplay winner, Illusion Brigade. You may claim your prizes later from Ate Luan on the right side of our stage. Kasi Ate Luan, let's have a raffle! Bigyan niyo ng ano, PS3 na ba? Wait, wala. Bigyan mo na tayo. Bigyan mo na, bigyan. Sayaw. Bigyan siya dito. At bigyan? Okay. Another video questions here. Para mas masaya, we'll ask the question first. Ate Luan, please do the honors.
Okay. E18.
Easy 18. Okay. Easy question.
Easy question. Question number
33. Our first placer scored 98.33. Let's wait for our contestants to complete.
Sabi ko na nga ba eh.
Our third placer from Final Fantasy, the Chocobo. So that means Phoenix West and Warcraft 3. Sino nanalo?
Objection!
Let's get a score of 98.33.
Congratulations,
Wala,
Mr. Pablo
inibigay niya.
Taiwan, for winning
Okay, very competition. You're going to claim your prizes here, stage right, after the performance of TPM.
Let's do it!
Okay, ulitin ko ulit, I would please and humbly to introduce you once again, PPM All-Stars!
And that was the awardings.